Welcome to Model Maths Nagaraj Sir YouTube channel. First, please like, subscribe, click bell button and share with your friends. And also, please watch the advertisements. Now, in this class, we are going to learn Intermediate Second Year Mathematics 2A, 7th chapter, Partial Fractions. 4 marks questions. Of course, from this chapter, only 4 marks questions are there. Within 2 parts, I will try to complete. In this part 1, we are going to learn the model 1. Actually, partial fractions means we have to split the given fractions. Okay, suppose x plus 4 by x plus 3 into x minus 4 is there. How can we split this fraction into several kind of fractions? Not only this, and some different kind of problems are there. Okay, x cube plus 3 by 2x square plus 1 into x plus 5, like that. Okay, otherwise x power 4 plus 5 by x plus 1 in or 2x minus 3, like so and so. Different kinds of fractions are there. Then how can we split? Okay, this is also useful in second year maths to be integrations type. There also, to find integration, we can split by using partial fractions. So 4 marks question compulsory for board exam. So easily we can get these 4 marks from this partial fraction chapters. So what is the model 1? Actually 3 models are there. Model 1 is, okay, we can observe the degree of numerator. Here degree is 1. The denominator degree is 1 and 1, 2. Or maybe different. Here 2 and 3 are there. Simply, if numerator degree is less than degree of numerator, degree of denominator. Degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Then what are the cases are there? So in these 3 cases are there. This is only a big part. Remaining part 2. In part 2, we can discuss model 2 and model 3. So in model 2, degree of numerator and degree of denominator is same. Those kind of questions can be taught in model 2. And model 3 is degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. Okay. Let us see, coming to the model 1, first part. Okay. Suppose a fraction is some f of x is equal p of x by some x plus a into x plus b. Here denominator is more important than numerator. So based on denominator, we can split the partial fraction. In this type, we can simply write a by x plus a plus b by x plus b. Okay, equating this and comparing this, we can find a and b. After finding a and b, we can write the solution. Very simple question. Of course, if 3 terms are there, for example, then how? Then write one more term, that is c by x plus c. So better to write example case 1 is 3 1. And if it is a square and it cannot be splitted, then how? Okay, so first one is linear. First one is linear, means degree is 1. So simply we can write as like that, a by x plus a plus this one can't be splitted. Then how? At that time we can write bx plus c by x square plus b. Okay, in this way we have to split and we can write. Simplify. Now third case in this model 1. So x plus a into x plus b whole square is there, for example. So this type of questions we can write a by x plus a, this is linear, plus second one is b by x plus b whole square is there. So it is written 2 times. So x plus b plus c by x plus b whole square. I think you got it. Okay, in this way we have to split. And last one is fourth one, f of x is equal some p of x by x plus a into x square plus b whole square. See, the second degree term consists of square at that time. This is first degree term, okay, linear. So at that time simply a by x plus a plus, for this we can write bx plus c by, because of it is second degree term, in this second degree term we can express as 2 terms, bx plus c by x square plus b, and plus it has a square. So write one more term, that is dx plus a by x square plus b whole square. So in this way we have to split the given fraction and find the solution. Shall we take one problem based on this type of? Okay. Yes, take the question. First one, resolve x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1. See here numerator power is only 1. The denominator here 1, here 2, totally 3. So numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So first case, first model. Then how can we split? Solution, x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1. See here, this one, see x square minus 4, of course it is a square, but this is 4 means 2 square. X square minus 2 square can be split as, how can we write? X plus 4 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 and into x plus 1. Am I right? In this way can we write or not? See, if it is not possible, then use the second formula. Okay, now 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So how can we write? A by, which is equal? A by x minus 2 and plus, next tell me, b by x plus 2 and plus c by x plus 1. So which is equal? X plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal. Simplify this, find a, b, c values. Let us take this is as equation 1. Now let us simplify. Okay, so what is the L sigma of these three terms? These three are different terms, so we can write simply x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. And numerator, see a into, already x minus 2 is there. For a into x plus 2 into x plus 1, capital A into x plus 2 into x plus 1, and plus for b into, already x plus 2 is there, so remaining two terms we can write for b, x minus 2 into x plus 1 and plus c into x plus 1 is already there, remaining x minus 2 into x plus 2. So which is called x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal. See, in both terms, x minus 2 into x minus plus 2 will make nothing but x square minus 4. So x square minus 4 cancel, and x plus 1 cancel. What is the remaining? X plus 4 equal a into x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2 into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 2 into x plus 2. Let us take equation number 2. We should find the capital A, capital B, capital C values. How can we find? Very simple. See, if you take some x value is, for example, x value, if I take 2, if I take x value 2 minus 2 becomes 0, 0 into something 0, 2 value 2 minus 2 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. Here x value 2 take 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 into something, some a into something go to something we get. So we can find a value. Don't understand? Very simple. First to take x is equal to 2. So take x is equal to 2. Why we are taking x is equal to 2? Because of if we take the x value 2, here I observed x minus 2, x minus 2. To become this value 0, we have to take x is equal to 2 only. So if we take x is equal to, these two will be vanished. Remaining we get a value. So then becomes what? 2 plus 4 is equal a into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay, very simple problems these are, with a small techniques using. X place just take 2 and c into 2 minus 2, 2 plus 2. See, 2 plus 4 is 6 is equal 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3 plus b into, see 2 minus 2 how much? 0. Okay, so b into 0 into 2 plus 1 3 plus c into 2 minus 2 0, 0 into 4 0. So 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. Here 3 4 ja 12a is equal to 6. That means 12a equal to 6. Okay, then a equal to what? 6 by 12 means 6 1 ja 6 2 ja, means a equal 1 by 2. So we got it a value. Got it? A value. Next we should find b value. How can we find b value? C. Okay, b is needed. What is common term in this a and c? So nothing common. Nothing common. Okay, leave it. So b value we can find later. Next to c value can we find? To find the c value, we should vanish a and b. What is common term a and b? X plus 1 is common. So to become x plus 1 is 0, to become x plus 1 is 0, so take x is equal to minus 1. That's it. So next after this, take x is equal minus 1. or substitute x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. So then equation 2 becomes x means minus 1 and plus 4 means plus 4 is equal to means is equal, capital A means capital A, x value, what is x value? Taking minus 1. So x value minus 1 substitute, minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 1 means minus 1 plus 1 and plus b into x means minus 1 minus 2 plus into minus 1 plus 1 plus c means c, x value taken as minus 1 minus 2 and x value minus 1 plus 2. Simplify that, we get any one value. Minus 1 plus 4 nothing but 3. So a into 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0 plus b into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 minus 1 0 plus c into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. See here 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. So 3 equal 0 plus 0 minus 3 into 1 into c minus 3c. So finally minus 3c is equal to 3. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. So c equal to minus 1. Okay, we got it a value and c value. Next we need only b value. So for that b value already 2 values we got it. For remaining number simply you can take any x, that is you can take x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3, your wish. Take any one other than 2 and minus 1. Is it okay? Okay. First split the given partial fraction into several parts of fractions and then take LCM and simplify. Okay. So take x is equal to 2 to reduce value becomes 0 and find c value. After getting a and c value, now I am going to find take any one value. Okay. So substitute x is equal to other than minus 1 and 2. Your wish. 3 can we take, 0 we can take. Okay, what I am taking? 0. Okay, 0 I am taking. X is equal 0. Substitute x is equal to 0 in equation 2. So it will become what? 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is equal to means is equal a into 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 plus into x plus 1. X plus 1 means 0 plus 1 plus b into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 plus c into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 2. Okay, 0 plus 4 means 4 equal c. 0 plus 2, 2. A into 2 into 1 plus b into minus 2 into 1 plus c into minus 2 into plus 2. So 4 equal 2 1 ja 2a plus minus 2 into 1 minus 2b plus minus 2 into 2 minus 4c. Okay, I will write these steps. After that equation 1 is useful. Finally we should substitute ABC values in equation 1. Okay, don't bother about that. Finally I will write. See, 4 equal 2 into, do you know a value? Here we got it a value. Substitute that 1 by 2 minus 2 into, do you know b value? We don't know. So write as it is, minus 4 into c value, you know? Yes, that is minus 1. Simplify this, we can get b value. 4 equal 2 1 to cancel. 1 minus 2b minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. So plus 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. 4 equal 5 minus 2b. Minus 2b bring left side, it becomes plus 2b. 5 as it is. 4 center it becomes minus 4. So 2b equal 5 minus 4 is 1. So b equal to 1 by 2. Got it b value? A value got it, b value got it, c value got it. After getting all values, just to substitute in equation 1, we can complete the answer. So substitute a equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 2, c equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes, what is the numerator? X plus 4 by, okay, already is there equation 1. What is the equation 1? Actually equation 1 is x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 1. Yes, this was the equation 1. Substituting this, x square minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to a value we got it as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 by x minus 2 plus b value also we got it 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 by x plus 2 plus c value we got it minus 1. So minus 1 by x plus 1. So finally one last step is 2 goes to numerator, 2 into x minus 2 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1. So in this way we can divide the given fraction into partial fractions. Okay, is it clear? Resolve x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. See, first one is linear, okay, but second one also linear, but it has a square. So how can we write? First one write as this, plus for second one we can write simply x minus 2 plus c by x minus 2 whole square. Okay, just to do 2-3 problems, just practice, you will understand how to write. If you write this one and simplify, you can get easily. Okay, so take LCM. LCM will be x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. And what will the numerator? Already x plus 1 is there. So x minus 2 whole square, a into. Next, b into, see 1 x minus 2 is there. So 1 more x minus 2 required and x plus 1 required. So x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c into, already x minus 2 whole square is there. So x plus 1 is needed. That's it. Okay, so x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. Both are cancelled. Okay, remaining x minus 1 equal a into x minus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 is take as equation 2. So this is equation 1. Okay, we should solve this equation 2. You can find a, b, c values. So take x is equal to what? Tell me. See, if you take minus 1, these two are x plus 1, x plus 1. Minus 1 if you take, these two will be vanished. So taking x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Substitute. So write down clearly that second equation becomes x means minus 1, minus means minus, 1 means 1, is equal means is equal, a means a, x means minus 1, minus 2 means minus 2, whole square means whole square, plus b into x means minus 1 and plus 1, x means minus 1, remaining minus 2, plus c into x means minus 1 plus 1. Simplify minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square, that is minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 1 0, b into 0. And minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Plus c into 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so minus 2 is called minus 3 whole square means 9. So 9a. See, 0 into something 0. 0 into something 0. So finally 9a equal to minus 2. So a equal to what? Minus 2 by 9. So got it a value. Okay, here I am writing a equal minus 2 by 9. So one of the values we got it. Next, x value, your wish. You can take 2. If you take x value 2, here it becomes 0, it becomes 0. You can get c value. Alright. So substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 2. So then x means 2, minus 1 means minus 1, is equal to means is equal, a means a, okay, x means 2, minus 2 means minus 2, and whole square means whole square, plus b into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2, plus c into 2 plus 1. Simplify this, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 0, so 0 into a 0, okay, 2 minus 2 0, 0 into something 0, plus 1 into 1 plus 2 3, 3c. So finally, these are zeros. 3c is equal to 1. So 3c is equal to 1. Then c equal 1 by 3. Okay, a value got it, c value got it. Okay, this is also like a similar question we are getting. Next, b value we need. So if you take x is equal to minus 1, only these two zeros. 2 we can take, these two are zeros. Then how to b value? So now take any x value, that is your wish. Let I am taking, let x is equal to 0 in equation 2. So then equation 2 becomes what? X means 0 minus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 2, sorry, 0 minus 2 whole square plus b into 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 2 plus c into 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1 equal 0 minus 2 is minus 2 whole square plus b into 1 into minus 2 plus c into 1. Simplify, minus 1 equal minus 2 whole square is 4. So it becomes 4a. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. It becomes minus 2b plus c. Already we know a value, that is minus 2 by 9. Substitute in what? 4 into minus 2 by 9 minus 2b plus c value 1 by 2. Simplify this, we get b value. Okay. So minus 1 equal 4 to ja minus 8 by 9 minus 2b plus 1 by 3. Minus 2b bring left side becomes plus 2b, and minus 8 by 9 already it is there. 1 by 3 already right side, and minus 1 right becomes plus 1. So LCM is 9. So minus 8. 3 table 9. 3 ja 3 into 1 3 and 1 into 9 9. So 9 3 12 minus 8 4 by 9. Okay, 4 by 9 2b equal 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So completely b equal to we get 2 by 9. So a value we know got it, b value got it, c value got it. Then what? Finally now substitute a equal to what? Minus 2 by 9, b equal to plus 2 by 9, c equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Then we can get the equation 1. What will be the equation 1? So we get x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square equal a value minus 2 by 9. So minus 2 by 9 into x plus 1 plus b value plus 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 into x minus 2 plus c value 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into x minus 2 whole square. This is the answer. Got it? Okay friends, third one, same second type question, x square plus 13x plus 15 by 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square. Okay, I just give a small explanation, but you do the problem. How can we split this? A by 2x plus 3 plus b by x plus 3 plus c by x plus 3 whole square. Okay, after that taking LCM and so we get a into x plus 3 whole square plus b into 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 plus c into 2x plus 3. This will be equation 2. This is equation 1. Okay. So after this, we just solve, means to take c to x plus 3, x plus 3. Take x is equal to minus 3. Substitute. You will get c value. Okay, I will give the answer. Next to substitute 2x plus 3 common in both. So 2x plus 3 becomes 0 means 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So then after take a substitute x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then these two will become 0. A value we get. So answer I will give you. After getting a and c values, substitute some x is equal to 0 or whatever you, anything you substitute, b value you get. So I will give the answers. C5 a minus 1 and b is 1. Okay. After getting a, b, c values, substitute in equation 1. Finally, the answer is minus 1 by 2x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3 plus 5 by x plus 3 whole square. Okay? Can you do it? Very good. Do it. Yes, fourth one. Resolve x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Okay? So, solution x square minus 3 by. Question okay? So, I am giving the solution. So, x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 is equal solution. So how can we split? First always we should check what is numerator 2, what is the degree of denominator 1 plus 2 3. Okay, so numerator power is less than degree of denominator. Okay, so then split it a by x plus 2. This is a linear and this is not linear. X square plus 1 is there. Can we simplify this x square plus 1? Like x square minus 4 is simplified as x minus 2 into x plus 2. But here, can we simplify x square plus 1? In real numbers, not in complex numbers. In complex numbers, of course, we can write x minus I into x plus I. Okay. But in real numbers, it cannot be splitted. So treat as this is a quadratic. At that time we should write two terms bx and c by x square plus 1. Okay, splitting is completed. Now simplify and find the solution. LCM x plus 2 into x square plus 1, x square plus 1 into a, so a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2, which is equal x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal. Both are same, gets cancelled. Now equation 2 will be x square minus 3 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. So this is as equation 2. Now simplify. See, if you take x is equal to minus 2, this will be 0. So substitute x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Substitute x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. So then second equation becomes what? X value I am taking minus 2. Why? To become x plus 2 0, to become x plus 2 0, x will be minus 2. That's why I am substituting. So minus 2 whole square minus 3 a as it is minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus c into minus 2 plus 2. Now minus 2 whole square is plus 4 and minus 3 as it is a into minus 2 whole square is plus 4 plus 1 as it is b into minus 2 minus 2b plus c into 2 minus 2 0. See, 0 into something 0. Okay, completely 0. 4 plus 1 5a. This is 5a and 4 minus 3 1. So finally 5a equal to 1 we got it. Then a value becomes what? 1 by 5. Okay, a value got it. Next b and c values we should find. How? Suppose if I take x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 if I take, becomes what? A into 1, a we get 0. Okay, c value we can get. Okay, so substitute x is equal to 0 in equation 2. That 0 square minus 3 equal to a into 0 plus 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 plus 2. So 0 square means 0 minus 3 be remaining. 0 plus 1 1 into a plus b into 0 0 plus c is remaining. 0 plus 2 2. Only 2c plus a equal to minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 is equal, already a value we know. What is a value? 1 by 5. Okay, again I am writing a plus 2c. So minus 3 plus a value already we know. Minus 3 is equal 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2c. Okay, since already we got it, a value is 1 by 5 from here. Now simplify this. 1 by 5 send left side, minus 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 2c. So LCM 5 into minus 3, minus 15 minus 1 equal to 2c. So minus 16 by 5 equal to 2c. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. So c equal minus 8 by 5. Of course, c value also we got it. A value we got it, c value I got it. Next, b we should find. B is remaining. How can we find? If you take x is equal to 0. So now take any another value, x is equal to. So let your wish, any value. So let x is equal to some 1 I am taking. But that must be not taken in the previous. Here minus 2 taken, here 0 taken. So one another value we are taking, x is equal to 1. Okay, in another concept also I will tell you for this question. First listen this. So let x is equal to 1 in equation 2. In equation 2. Always we should do something about equation 2. From the equation 2 and finding 1 by 1 values, we can get all a, b, c values. So then it becomes what? 1 square minus 3 is equal to a into 1 square plus 1 plus b into 1 plus c into 1 plus 2. So 1 square means 1 no. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equal. 1 square is 1 plus 1 2. So it becomes 2a. B into 1 b plus c into 3. Okay, already a value we know, that is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus b we don't know. Okay, one more step I am writing. Minus 2 equal 2a, b into 3, 3b, c into 3, 3c. Minus 2 is equal 2 into a value 1 by 5 plus 3 into b value we don't know, b as it is written down, plus 3 into c value minus 8 by 5. Simplify it, we can get b value. So minus 2 is equal 2 by 5 plus 3b, 3 8 ja 24 by 5. Okay, 3b keep it as it is. Remaining all send left side. Minus 2 already there. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 24 5 plus 24 by 5 is equal to 3b. So what is the LCM? LCM is 5. So in 5 2 ja minus 10. Already 5 same is there. Minus 2 plus 24 as it is equal to 3b. So 24 minus 10 minus 2 minus 12. Minus 12 plus 24 plus 12 by 5 is equal 3b. So 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. B equal to 4 by 5. I will tell you another method. So got it. A value we got it. B value we got it. C value we got it. Now substitute A, B, C values in equation 1 and write the solution. We get the answer. Is it clear? Next to see here I have taken x is equal to 1 something. Or if you take x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3 or any number, you do it, B value we get 4 by 5. Okay, and this is one method. And one more method is, please note down, I am removing this because of in another way also I will find B value 4 by 5. Let us see. Okay, why sir another method? Because of if you know several methods in the examination or in your notebook, you can understand easy method. So now from equation 2 equating x square coefficient. Okay, you can keep that one, you can maintain the notes, or you can write this also, that is your wish. If you are interested, write two methods. X square, equating x square coefficients. Why I am equating x square means bx term is bx into x, bx square, or bx into 2 bx. In both x square term are x coefficient. So bx into x, x square. So here x square coefficient is 1. So 1 equal, simply we can get answer. Here x square coefficient is 1. Here x square coefficient will be a into x square is a. And here bx into x square. So b. Okay, a into x square, bx into x, b. That's it. Just a plus b equal to 1. So 1 equal, what is the a value? 1 by 5 and plus 3. 1 by 5 send left side. My 1 by 1 by minus 1 by 5 equal to b. So 5 1 to 5 minus 1, 4 by 5 equal to b. Okay, very simple or not? So simply we got it, b equal to 4 by 5. So now substitute a equal to 1 by 5, b equal to 4 by 5, c equal to minus 8 by 5 in equation 1. Just substitute in equation 1, what you will get. I will complete this problem. Okay, so equation 1 will be x square minus 3. After this, write down from here onwards. Okay, don't write again this. Already it is in the top of the answer sheet. X square plus 1 equal to a. A value we got it 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 by x plus 2 plus b value 4 by 5. 4 by 5x, a c value minus 8 by 5 by x square plus 1. So which is equal to 1 by 5 into x plus 2 plus c. In both 5 is a denominator. In both 4 taken common. So 4 by 5 take common. We get a 4 table x minus 2 by x square plus 1. So this is the answer of the given question. Got it? So what we understand, sometimes this concept says that if you do not get even x is equal to what we have to take, x is equal to what we have to take, means simply by using this process also we can find the solution. Fifth one, please solve for x square plus 2 by x2 plus 6. See solution. 5x square plus 2 by, of course, 5x square plus 2 by x cube plus x is equal. So see, the denominator you can take x common, then x square plus 1 is remaining, 5x square plus 2. Always check it, numerator power less than denominator power, okay? Then proceed. So two terms are there. One is a by x plus, second one is, this is not a linear, quadratic. So bx plus c by x square plus 1. So which is called 5x square plus 2 by x cube plus x is equal. Okay, next one more step. 5x square plus 2 by x cube plus x is called, take LCM, x square plus 1 into a. So a into x square plus 1 plus x into bx plus c. So bx plus c into x by x into x square plus 1. Cancel both sides. Of course, this will be same. So 5x square plus 2 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x. Okay, equation 2. So to better to continue, you just simplify this. Maybe the coefficients are useful. Okay, the previous question we observed. A into x square, ax square plus a into 1, a plus bx into x, bx square plus c into x, cx. Okay, taking equation 3. See, if you take x is equal to 0, yes, x is equal to 0, take, this will be vanished, a value we can get. Okay, we can do that process. Or see, equating x square coefficient, we get a plus b equal to 5 again, and equating x coefficients, we get c value. Okay, first of all, let us substitute x is equal to 0 in equation 2, or in equation 3 if you substitute also no problem. Okay, in equation 3 I am substituting, no problem, you will get. So 5 into 0 square plus 2 equal to a into 0 square plus a plus b into 0 square plus c into 0. So 2 equal 0 plus a plus 0 plus 0. So a equal to 2. Substitute in equation 2, that also, then also you will get a value equal to. Now b value, c value needed. So to get the b value, here x square coefficient a, here x square coefficient is b, here b is x square coefficient. So equating x square coefficient, equating x square coefficient of equation 2. So what is x square coefficient? 5. So 5 equal, here x square coefficient a plus, here x square coefficient b. That's it? Yes. Then 5 equal to a value is 2. So 2 plus b. Then 2 bring left side, becomes 5 minus 2 equal to b. So 3 equal to b. So b value got it 3. Next c value required. What is c? Here c is x coefficient. So here x coefficient nothing. Then how? No problem. Equating x coefficient. Here x coefficient nothing means 0. And here x coefficient is c. So c value will be 0. Very simple this process. Equating x square coefficient, equating x coefficient, equating constants. See here also directly we can say, if equating constant terms, here constant is a, means without x term. Here constant is 2, means without x term. So directly a equal to we can write. So instead of doing this one, okay, simply equating constant term. So here constant term is 2, here constant term is a. Got it? Only one single step we can write. Okay. So now substitute a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 0 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Yes, this is equation 1. So then 5x square plus 2 by x cube plus x is equal to a value 2. So 2 by x, b into x. So 3 into x plus 0 by x square plus 1. So which is equal to 2 by x plus 3x by x square plus 1. If you simplify this, you will get this one. Then in that way, you can check whether it is right or wrong. Okay. Next problem. Next, we solve 3x minus 18 by x cube plus x cube into x plus 3. So solution. Sixth question. Dear friends, if you understand, just pause the video. You try to solve it. Okay. Then after that you check me. If I give you as homework, if you don't get, then how? Okay, it is difficult. That's why feel this one as your homework problem. Just pause the video, do the problem, then verify. Okay. If you don't know how to do, just see the 2 steps, then pause and do and verify. Okay. So a by c here also numerator power 1, denominator power 3 plus 1 4. Okay, it is confirmed. So here linear part is x plus 3. So a by x plus 3 write up. A by x plus 3. Plus here x cube is there. So we can write b by x plus c by x square plus d by x cube. If x power 4 is there, write one more term. Now LCM. So very simple. X cube, x square, x LCM becomes x cube into x plus 3. And here same x cube into x plus 3. So 3x minus 18. So here x plus 3 already there. So x cube into a. So a x cube plus b. X is there. So in this x cube, x square is required. So b into x square into x plus 3 plus c. X square is there. So x is required. X is required. So d into x cube already there. So x plus 3 is required. Cancel. Okay. So 3x minus 18 equal. I am simplifying completely. Okay. This is the better way. Simplify. Ax cube plus bx square into x. Bx cube plus bx square into 3. 3bx square plus cx into x. Cx square. Cx into 3. 3cx. D into x. Dx. Dx plus d into 3. 3d. Equation 2. Then how to simplify? See the constant terms. Here only 3d is the constant term. Here 18 minus 18 is the constant term. So equating constant term. So then 3d equal to minus 18. Then implies d equal to minus 6. Am I right? 3 1 ja 3 6. Got it. Next, check the x cube terms. If we equate, of course left side 0, right side a plus b is there. X cube terms. Then x square terms. Okay. Then x square terms. Here 3b, here c. So combination of b and c is getting. And constant terms. Here, sorry, x coefficient. Here 3c, here d. Here x coefficient 3. So 3c plus d we are getting. D value we know. So then we can proceed. So equating x coefficient. Then here x coefficient is 3. And here x coefficient is here 3c, here d. So 3c plus d. Already d value we know luckily. So then use that d value, that is minus 6. Since d equal to minus 6. So then minus 6 bring left side. 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 3 9. 9 equal to 3c. So 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. C equal to 3 we are getting. Okay. Then after c value got it, d value got it. Next equating x square terms. X square terms c is there and 3b is there. Already c value we know. So equating x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient nothing. So 0 equal. Here x square coefficient 3b. And here x square coefficient plus c. So 0 equal 3b. Already c value we know, that is 3. Okay, since c equal to 3 we know. So 3 bring left side. So minus 3 equal to 3b. So 3 3 cancel. B equal to minus 1. So b value also got it. Next, a value is needed. So equating x cube coefficients are correspond. Equating x cube, or you can write comparing x cube coefficient. Okay, here x cube coefficient nothing, 0 equal. Here x cube coefficient a, and here x cube coefficient b, a plus b. So b left side 0 equal to a plus, what is b value? Minus 1. So minus 1 left side, then a equal to 1. So a value, b value, c value, d value, all we got. Substitute equation 1. So this is the equation 1. Then 3x minus 18 by x cube into x plus 3 is equal to a value 1 by x plus 3 plus b value minus 1 by x plus c value 3 by x square plus d value minus 6. So it becomes minus 6 by x cube. So this is the answer. Okay friends, previous question answer. You can write the terms left, right, right, left, no problem. But all 4 terms correct or not, that is right. Okay. Next, seventh one. Resolve x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Solution. How can we split? Is there any linear term? There is no linear. See here, numerator power is 2, denominator power. Here x square and whole square is there. So denominator power 4 is there. 2 to the 4. So denominator is greater. Okay. Out. Linear term not available. Then how? It is a quadratic. Am I right? X square degree means second degree is quadratic. So quadratic means what? Ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1. Again it is square is there. Also write one more term, that is cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Equation 1. So take LCM first. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square. See, single term, this is the square term. So required one single term, ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus this is already same term. So cx plus d directly we can write. So left hand term x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Same terms gets cancelled. Then x square plus 1 equal, simplify it. Okay, ax into x square, ax cube, ax into x, ax square, ax into 1, ax. Next with b into x square, bx square, b into x, bx, b into 1, b, and cx plus d as it is. Okay, if you do one more step, this and very easy it becomes ax cube. See, x square terms here, ax square, bx square. So a plus b x square, and x terms ax plus bx plus cx. So a plus b plus c into x, and a constant term b plus d, which is called x square plus 1 equal. So this is the second equation. How to get? See here, constant term 1 no, okay, but here constant term 2 terms are there. Okay, if it is only one term, we can get the answer. Then how? Next, coefficient of x, 3 terms are there. So single term only x cube is there. Yeah. So equating x cube terms first of all, or comparing x cube terms. Equating x cube coefficient. Then here x cube coefficient nothing, 0. Here x cube coefficient only a. So we got it, a value is 0. Next, a plus b x square coefficient. So equating, otherwise here I am writing, equating x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient is 1 no. Here x square coefficient is a plus b. So 1 equal, already a value 0 we know. So 0 plus b. So 1 equal to b. So b value also got it. Next, equating x coefficient. Equating x coefficient. Here x coefficient nothing. So 0 equal. Here x coefficient a plus b plus c. So 0 equal to a value 0 plus b value 1 plus c means c. So plus 1 send left, it becomes minus 1 equal to c. So c value we got it minus 1. Okay, c equal to minus 1 and b equal to 1, a equal to 0. Next, equating constant. Equating constant term. Here constant term 1 no. Here right side constant b plus d. Okay, you know b value? Yes, 1 we know. So b plus d. 1 send left side, 1 minus 1 equal d. So d equal to 0. Yes. So d equal 0. Substitute ABC values in equation 1. Okay. What you will get? A into means 0x plus b 1 by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx means minus 1 into x plus d 0 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. That means 0x means 0 into x 0. 0 plus 1 1. So 1 by x square plus x plus 1 minus 1x by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So this will be the answer of this is equal to. Okay. Okay dear, this is the last problem in this model, in this part. Next in the part 2, how to resolve the given fractions when the numerator power and denominator power equal, or numerator power is more than denominator power, that we can tell in the next part 2. So within part 1, part 2 we can complete this chapter. And finally this question. Okay, So here methods simplifications you may change because of one or two methods are there. So you can apply different type of method also, no problem, but answer will be same. Okay. Solution, last one. See here also numerator power 3, but denominator x power 4, denominator is greater than. So power of or degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So at that time we can continue. See power 4 is there. So how to write? A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube plus d by x minus 1 whole power 4. Okay, you write and simplify, you will get very large simplification. Then how, sir? A simple technique I will tell you. Just to take x is equal to minus 1. Okay, eighth one solution. Take x is equal to, x minus 1 equal to y. Take y equal to x minus 1. Let. So very simple. Then, okay, x minus 1 equal to y. Let. Then x is equal to becomes what? Minus 1 and then becomes y plus 1. X is equal to y plus 1. Okay. Substitute in given equation, given fraction. Then 3x cube minus 8x square plus 10y x minus 1 whole power 4 is equal. X minus 1 I am taken as y, so it becomes y power 4. Very simply we can complete this problem without any difficult simplifications. So 3 into x means what? Y plus 1. So y plus 1 whole cube plus minus 8 into x square means y plus 1 whole square plus 10. Okay. Just to simplify the numerator, that's it. A plus b whole cube formula. What is that? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and remaining. Okay. Minus 8 into y plus 1 whole square. Y square plus 2ab means 2 into y into 1 plus b square plus 10. Or you can write a square plus b square plus 2ab also write. So which is equal 3 into y cube, 3y cube, 3 into 1 cube is 1, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9y square, 3 into 3, 9y, minus 8 into y square, 8y square, minus 8 into 2, minus 16y, minus 8 into plus 1, minus 8, plus 10, by y power 4. Okay? Highest power y cube. So only one term is there, 3y cube. And y square terms, here 9y square, here minus 8, so completely 1y square. Sorry. Next y terms, here 9y, here minus 16. So minus how much? Tell me. Yes, very good. Minus 7y. Next constant terms, here plus 3, here plus 10. 13 minus 8. 5. Yeah, very good. By y power 4. So which is equal 3y cube by y power 4 plus y square by y power 4 minus 7y by y power 4 plus 5 by y power 4. Cancel. Y cube, y square cancel. Y square is remaining. Cube is remaining. So here I am writing this is equal means 3x cube minus 8x square plus 10 by x minus 1 whole power 4 equal. What is remaining? 3 by y 1 by y square, 1 by y square. Next minus 7 by y cube. Next 5 by y power 4. Almost all we completed. Finally, what do you mean by y? Y means x minus 1. Okay. So 3 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 7 by x minus 1 whole cube plus 5 by x minus 1 whole power 4. Completed. Okay. The different method we completed. So friends, these are the partial fractions part 1. In this part 1, model 1 completed. When the numerator power is less than denominator power, in this way we can solve. So one request is, first please subscribe our channel to get more videos, and next class also immediately when I upload the class, next class immediately you can get maths 2A, maths 2B also available for any chapter. You just search, for example, complex numbers you want. Complex numbers part 1 by Nagaraj sir. You can get that video. Complex numbers part 2 by Nagaraj sir. Or otherwise if you want binomial theorem. Binomial theorem part 1 by Nagaraj sir. In orderly, please watch. You can easily understand. Very important questions also I expressed, and simple, and within less time you can get the full marks. Okay. Thank you.